right, go ahead.
Okay. We're testing a crime scene. We got 3 samples. Then we got from a sneaker. We got some samples from a sneaker, and then we got some stuff from the crime scene. We're just gonna test out with vinegar, water, and then iodine, and see what happens. So, we're gonna start out, Sam. Here you go. We're gonna test the water first on the sample A. See what happens. Add a little bit more water.
You know what, go ahead and just pour a little bit in there. Doesn't seem to be doing anything.
Seems just dissolving and just turning into a fadish white color. So
Okay.
that's the reaction. You want to write that down?
Yeah, go ahead, just write down
Faded white.
no reaction or no.
No reaction. Then we're gonna test it with vinegar now. Right here, bro.
Nothing really seems to be happening there either.
No reaction. Now we're gonna test the iodine.
Put in 2 or 3 drops and then. What do you see that happened? It was a brownish liquid that you put in there.
It's turning red.
Red? Looks more black to me.
Blackish red.
Okay, so it turned black.
Turned black. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna test the next 3 sample with water, vinegar, and iodine. See what happens.
No reaction.
Not much of a reaction. So we only have 1 so far that has a reaction. Okay, and now the vinegar. Whoa!
Can you guess what that's?
That is not soda, as they call it in the South.
So that
So we
bubbled.
got fizzes. Bubbled. Bubbled. Okay, now we're gonna test the iodine. Turned a bit red.
It's still the brown there, but it didn't do what this one did it?
No, that's
This one turned black, that one's still kind of brownish.
so.
No reaction.
No reaction.
No reaction.
No reaction. Okay, now we're gonna test the third and last sample, or at least the third sample.
What is that doing?
Kind of looks like it's bubbling. See how it's kind of bubbly? I mean, it's not as violent as this was, but it's still bubbling.
Small bubbles, you want me to, right? Small bubbles.
Good job, Jeremiah.
Thanks, Drew. Vinegar. Also,
Lots of
Okay,
bubbles.
so it also fizzes.
Lots of bubbles. Big bubbles.
bubbled. Now we're gonna test the iodine. That smells. Add a little
Go ahead
bit
and
more.
put a little more in there. About the same as that other, just doesn't.
No reaction, man.
Is any of this stuff gonna blow up? Okay, now
You.
this is the one from the
Okay,
shoe.
this is the one
No,
from the
crime
crime
s-
scene,
Crime scene.
and then the next one is from the shoe, and we're gonna see test our results. Testing water first.
It bubbled,
It bubbled a lot like this one over here, didn't it?
Yeah.
except for more violent.
Small bubble. Okay, now we're gonna test vinegar. Large bubbles. Bubbled. Now we're going to test the iodine. Not much of a reaction with the iodine. So no reaction. Okay, now we're going to test the one from the sneakers, our suspect sneakers.
That's just kind of laying there.
No reaction.
No reaction. Okay, now we're going to test the vinegar. Ooh. Bubbled. I like it when it bubbles, it looks cool. Now we're going to test the iodine. Here we go. Once again, no reaction.
So it can't be the same one because this bubbled with the water.
So, the sneaker is the person from the crime scene, whoever committed it, and the person, our suspect with the sneakers, is not related. So, this person is definitely innocent. So.
Now don't tell me I didn't record that.
There we go.